Did you know that the things sitting around your house could be making you money right now? That's right. Whether it's your car, tools, camera gear, or even your backyard, there's a way to turn it into passive income. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make money renting out your stuff. By the end, you'll know exactly what to rent, where to rent it, and how to maximize your income with minimal effort. Renting out your stuff is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income because you don't need to create or invest in anything new. Instead, you're monetizing things you already own. It's flexible, requires minimal setup, and can scale as you grow your inventory of rentable items. Here's how you do it. First, you want to take inventory of what you own. There are endless possibilities for rentable items, but here are some categories that work particularly well. 1. Vehicles, cars, bikes, motorcycles, or even scooters are in high demand. 2. Tools and equipment, power tools, gardening tools, or specialized equipment like pressure washers. 3. Tech gear, cameras, drones, audio equipment, or even gaming consoles. 4. Event items, tents, tables, chairs, and party supplies. 5. Spaces, your garage, driveway, backyard, or even a spare room. Next, you'll need to find the right platform to rent out your stuff. There are specialized platforms for almost every type of item, so choosing the right one is key to success. For vehicles, use platforms like Turo or Getaround to rent out your car. These platforms handle insurance and payment for you. For tools and equipment, Fat Llama is a great platform for renting tools, tech gear, and other items. For spaces, Neighbor lets you rent out storage space, while platforms like Swimply allow you to rent your pool or backyard. For general rentals, try apps like RentMy or Loanables to rent a variety of items. Pricing is critical. You want to stay competitive while ensuring your rentals are worth your time. Here's how you set the right price. 1. Research competitors. Check how much similar items are renting for on your chosen platform. 2. Factor in demand. Items in high demand, like cars or tech gear, can command higher rates. 3. Start low and increase. Offer introductory pricing to attract your first renters, then raise your rates as you build reviews. Your listing is the first impression renters will have of your item, so here's how to make yours stand out. 1. Use high-quality photos. Make sure your item is clean, well-lit, and photographed from multiple angles. 2. Write a detailed description. Highlight the features and benefits of your item. For example, if you're renting a car, mention its fuel efficiency or spacious interior. Include clear terms. Be upfront about what's included, like accessories or instructions, and any restrictions, like no pets or smoking. Okay, now, let me tell you about James. He started renting out his car on Turo a few weekends a month. At first, he was earning around $500 a month. Encouraged by the results, he added a second car and began renting out camera equipment on Fat Llama. Fast forward to today, James is earning over $2,000 a month, all from items he already owned. Maintaining your items is essential to getting positive reviews and repeat renters. To do that, 1. Inspect after every rental. Check for damage or wear and tear. 2. Clean and repair as needed. Keep items in good condition to attract renters. 3. Offer extras. Providing accessories like cables for tech gear or a full gas tank for vehicles can make your listing more attractive. The next step is crucial. Protect yourself with insurance. Most rental platforms offer built-in insurance, but it's important to understand what's covered and what's not. Here's what to do. 1. Review platform policies. Read the fine print to know what their insurance covers. 2. Consider additional coverage. For high-value items, look into separate insurance policies. 3. Document the condition. Take photos of your items before and after each rental to resolve disputes easily. Once you've mastered renting a few items, it's time to scale. The more items you rent out, the more passive income you can generate. Here's how to scale quickly. Reinvest your earnings. Use your profits to purchase more items to rent. Focus on high-demand items. Invest in products with proven demand in your area. Build a rental business. Consider managing multiple listings and diversifying across platforms. Getting the word out about your rentals is key to keeping them booked and generating consistent income. While platforms already offer built-in traffic, adding your own marketing can significantly boost visibility and earnings. Make sure you 1. Optimize your listings. Use keywords in your item descriptions that people are likely to search for, like affordable camera rental or spacious event tent. 2. Leverage social media. Post about your listings on Instagram, Facebook, or local community groups. Highlight features like affordability or convenience. 3. Ask for reviews. Positive reviews can make your listing stand out. After a successful rental, kindly ask your renter to leave a review. 4. Target local markets. Use platforms like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace to promote items that are in demand locally. Data is your secret weapon for optimizing your rental income. By analyzing trends, you can make smarter decisions about what to rent and how to improve your listings. Here's what you do. 1. Track rental trends. Use the analytics tools provided by platforms to see which items are in high demand and adjust your offerings accordingly. 2. Monitor pricing. Analyze your competitors' rates and tweak your pricing to maximize bookings without underpricing. 3. Test new categories. Use data to identify gaps in the market. For example, if your area lacks party rentals, invest in tables or decorations to fill the need. Here's the story of Lisa, who started renting out her spare camera equipment on Fat Llama. Within 6 months, she was making $500 a month. Encouraged by her success, she reinvested her earnings to purchase more tech gear, including a drone and a lighting kit. Over time, Lisa expanded to renting out tables and chairs for events. Today, her rental side hustle generates $3,000 a month, and she spends less than 5 hours a week managing it. Now here's the rub. To truly make your rental income passive, automation is the key. By streamlining your processes, you can reduce your workload and enjoy hands-off income. Here's the steps you need to take to automate your operation. 1. Automate booking and payments. Platforms like Turo and Neighbor handle bookings and payments automatically, so you don't have to chase clients. 2. Set clear terms up front. Write detailed rental agreements to minimize back-and-forth communication. 3. Use reminders and notifications. Set up calendar reminders for item availability or maintenance schedules to stay organized without effort. 4. Outsource tasks. If you have multiple rentals, consider hiring someone to handle cleaning, maintenance, or handovers. If you're ready to take your rental business to the next level, think beyond individual items. Scaling your operations can turn your side hustle into a full-fledged passive income stream. Here are the 3 key steps. 1. Expand into partnerships. Collaborate with local event planners or businesses to rent your items regularly. 2. Diversify rental types. Add new categories like seasonal items or luxury rentals to capture different markets. 3. Build a brand. Create a dedicated website or social media presence to position yourself as a go-to rental provider in your area. Renting out your stuff is one of the simplest and most practical ways to generate passive income. Whether you're renting a car, a camera, or even your garage, every item you own has the potential to earn you money. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and expand as you see results. With the right strategies, you can turn unused items into a steady, hands-free income stream. Ready to start earning passive income with the stuff you already own? Hit subscribe for more expert strategies to make money while you sleep. And don't miss our next video, where we'll dive into another game-changing passive income idea.